Hey Wargamers, Josh here with Wargames Delivered, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Sniper Team that is included in the U.S. Marine Corps Weapons Box. Thank you so much for stopping in. Make sure to check us out on the web at www.wargamesdelivered.com. Check out all the miniatures and tools featured in this video. First color up on our palette today is going to be Leather Brown by the Army Painter. I'm going to apply that to the boots. Up next, we are going to use a very, very light coat of the color Desert Yellow across the belt, the pouches, and those ankle shin wraps, the guards. Basically anything made out of a khaki or canvas material. Next up, we are going to use the color Oak Brown across the entire stock of the M1903A1 sniper rifle. That sniper rifle is equipped with an 8x Unerdal optic. I love the blued finish of it, although it was very prone to rusting. So if you were a sniper during World War II, you had to get very familiar with the upkeep of your weapon, as the heat, humidity, and intensely corrosive ammunition was very, very hard on the rifle. We're going to use the color Barbarian Flesh for all of the skin tones across the exposed arm, face, and hands. Next up on my palette is going to be the color Skeleton Bone for the notepad in his hands. Couple of quick things. They were primed black and then painted with a base coat of army green across the entire surface. There is a strap across the helmet. I painted that in leather brown. I somehow misplaced the footage for it. And I used gunmetal for the metal attachments on the rifle. I do my best to keep my basing consistent across my entire army, so for this one we're going to use the same technique that we used for the bazooka team. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that one out. But it is a texture paint across the bottom. That texture paint is then used to fill in the cracks, coated with partially coated with a thicker flocking, and then I moved down to a very fine flocking to get that last of the grass. A tuft and a couple of rocks are thrown on top, and then it sits till it's dry. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you could give us a like and a follow, it really helps us out, and make sure you check the description for a link to that giveaway. Till next time, we'll see you on the tabletop.